I have an app where I can track all of my different states I've been to, and it shows me a map of all the ones that I've been to, as well as all the ones that are missing. But it doesn't allow me to overlay my map with my partners to see which ones we've both been to, which ones we haven't been to at all, and which one only one of us has been to. So I did that in Google Sheets. Let me show you how to do it. First thing we'll do is insert a new tab. Then we're going to list out all the states in alphabetical order or find a list online. We'll just put states, your name, your partner's name, and then total. Now it says convert to table automatically, so I'm going to click that. If it doesn't, just select the range, then go to Format, Convert to Table. Now I'll change the name of this to states. All right, right here for total, I'm going to put sum. I'm going to sum up both of these, and then apply that to the entire column. Now all you have to do here is, if you've been to the state, put a 1. And if you haven't been to the state, put a 0. And then just go through the list and do that for every single one. All right, now you have that list. If you want to have a rolling total, just go to the top, then put equals inside quotes, Olin, ampersand, sum, then select all of the first person. Now it'll give you a nice little condensed total for the first person. Then simply paste that in the next one and change that to partner. And then change the table reference to partner. And you're good to go there. Now for the map, all we need to do is go to Insert, Chart. Chart type will be a map. And then we need to select the data range. So I'm going to select the first range for this one, add another range, select the totals, and hit OK. So you should have something that looks like this. We don't really need this because this is a full map. So we're going to go to Customize, Geo. Instead of World, we're going to put United States. And now we have that map for us. Now let's clean it up just a hair by going to Chart Style and then changing the background to a light blue color to make it look like an ocean. And then for Geo, we're going to change the colors. So for min, I want that to be a kind of orange color. And for mid, I want that to be a yellow. Now we can easily see if it's green, we've both been there. If it's yellow, then only one of us has been there. And if it's white, then none of us has been there. And that's it. Like and comment for more.